Good afternoon. Welcome to the end of day recording for today. And today is May 2nd, 2024. And it's the Thursday, the day after FOMC meeting. And the day before tomorrow, which is the non-farm payroll. Can you believe that? We thought it could be next week, but actually it's this week. Non-farm payroll, May the 3rd. Oh, right. I think the last time May 15th, it's a real earning. May the 1st, and then May 15th. What is May 15th? I think we thought it's May 15th. Oh, May 15th is the CPI data, right? This is the GDP data. No. We want it to be not CPI. All right. So CPI current. Oh, this is the GDP data. All right. We're not gonna worry about it until at the end of this month. So we have a non-farm payroll, and after that we have the CPI data. Yes, right here, CPI data. Yeah, okay. So this week is a non-farm payroll, Rick, and we can see that the market profile for this week is gonna be similar to this. It's a Thursday reversal, right? Or Tuesday high of the week, or either this model, because we see that the Monday is sell off. Is that sell off? No. Yeah, Monday is like accumulation, sell side liquidity, and then we see the Tuesday release went down. Okay, and then we have Wednesday. It not nearly completely mass, candle by candle. But actually, the idea is that we do have non-farm payroll. Okay, so but we do have today Thursday is a reversal, and how beautifully reversed. But anyway, we are in week 18, right? We are week 18. So this week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth week of the April and May, right there. All right, this morning we see a gap. Actually, we see the gap up. It's not a gap down, which is here. If we have a gap up, then we want it to go right the buy side. But if a gap down, we wanted it to go grab or swift the sell side. But this morning it's a gap up, and then it go all the way to, to grab the sell side liquidity. That's the opposite of this one. Right. If we look at the regular trading hour, we can see that right here, it's a regular trading hour. So it's no, you see the gap up right here. If it fall into the ICT model, what's model? Model 212 right here. Right, the model 2.2 right here tell us you see the gap up right here. If according to this model, it's just inverse. So it a gap up, then it continues to run up, but it did not. It's reverse back. So now it give us a new model. The new model, we will say that if there are a gap and it runs to fill the gap, in the morning, then watch for the reverse happen around 12:30 exactly. You see, around 11. Yeah, we should put that into the note right here. So look for Euro swing check literally always new. Look for Euro swing at to create a liquidity sweep, and look for Euro swing. Oh, if it doesn't return. Oh, I see. So this condition go with this condition, right? At the morning section, not what, right? If the price does not return in the AM due to the new then you look for Euro swing. Then yeah, I think we need to put right here, make it right here. Yeah, we have to give it conditionally. If the graph left unfilled in AM, then look for the Euro swing analysis. Yeah, we have to give the consideration out of it. It's very confused right here. Right? Because the other day, on the Monday, we see that it gap up, and in the morning, it not refilled. So we're looking for the PM, and especially at 1 p.m. ish. And then here we have another. So this model 212, right? And we have. Yeah, then we have a new model for today. If the graph is filled in AM and the prior day low or high is rated, or what you call that, rated, right? Here is rated or sweep for that, and so have these two conditions. Then look for fill right away. So fill the gap up, go up the gap, and reverse. Then look for a reversal. Right, so today is a gap up. It fill the gap, it break the low, then it reverse. But if a gap down, right, it's gonna refill the gap. right here, gap down, we're going to view the gap and continue to and then reverse. Yeah, it fill the gap and it rate the buy side. All right, it rate the buy side. Then it's going to reverse. Okay, look for reverse at exactly 12 around that ish right there, which is it happened today. It happened today. Yep, that is the derivative or another scenario of the gap down or gap up. So if the gap filled in the AM, right, if the gap not filled or left unfilled, in the AM then we look for the Judas swing, right? But if the gap filled in the AM, which is today, then and the prior day low or high were rated, then look for reversal around 1 p.m. 12:13 S. All right, that exactly happened for today. Yeah, today, you see that this is the low of the previous day, in this case, and it rate that low. See that it rate that low, and it filled the gap in the AM and rate that low exactly around 10. For 30 minutes, it do its job. Two things, it fill, and then it's perfect timing right there. And then it takes 2 hours, actually from 10 to 1, 3 hours. Take 3 hours. 3 hours to build liquidity, accumulated liquidity. In order to make the move right here. Make this move, make this expansion right there. So you have a expansion to the downside, and then another expansion, and then it's reversal right here. Okay. Today we did take only one trade. Let's go to, and we only get 1 hour, which is 205 point right there. Very quick trade, and we get out. And and then we didn't take any day. That a beautiful opportunity around right here, exactly right here. And we kind of chicken. We didn't take the trade because we want to keep our profits. Maybe it's too much for us this week because before the loss we have on Tuesday. But yesterday and today we recover all the loss from Tuesday. So basically this week we are we break even. So we start this week about the profit we have about 1,800, and now it's 1,700. So we can pretty much break even this week. Okay, here's the trade that we take for today. But however, before we go in the detail of the trade, let's review what is we are thinking. What is our logic when we go into go into the battle for today. So here's the picture we take at the daily time frame before 9:30. So we see that yesterday, not yesterday, excuse us, it's Tuesday, it broke the level. And then what happened? On Wednesday, it retests, a break retest. Then we anticipate today it will go and at least it retest level. If possible, it will close above and low. It did close above today. Did it? Not really. Oh, okay. It kind of closed below. Very interesting. So that's good. If it close below, then we have a very bullish scenario tomorrow, right? Yes, it's closed below. Let's see. It's closed at regular time. It's closed now, but after hours, so it's closed at 5 p.m., which is 17 hour. Exactly 5 p.m. 17 hour. Yeah. So we want to see that's close below that level at 50.94 right there. So basically you have break and then you have two retests. Then tomorrow, well, we're gonna see the Friday gonna move from this level to this level. That's wonderful right there. By the way, so the idea that we see the break and then the retest, we anticipate today is gonna be up close candle, which is a bullish day for today. But we're not quite sure. We're kind of confused. We don't see the pattern that we want to take along. That's the reason why we are kind of reluctant. Okay, so we want, with that in mind, right? We want to take the trade around here, but it's very confused for us. But because it's not in our setup, but we learn the new thing. So around here we see, wow, the huge rejection. If you want in a real time, let's go in a real time. You see right here, right here. Let's rewind. So right, first 9:30 Judah swing right there. 9:30 Judah swing is refill the gap. You see the gap void right there, and do two things: refill the gap and rate the sell side. And what do we see? Yeah, rate the buy side. I mean the Nasdaq do the same thing. Yes, the Nasdaq the same thing. Okay, so then we need to add into our model 212 right here. Yeah, we ask more, a little bit detail right here. So if the graph fill let's do this, right? By a Judah swing. Wow, Judah swing at 9:30. Then go here. We have this model. Wow, right here. Yeah, then it goes to model 3.1. No, this the Judah swing at 1:30. Oh, then we have to use this model. We forgot. Judah swing. Yes, exactly. Oh, we should use Judah swing, this model. Oh, we forgot. Model 1. Regular trading hour. Oh. If smart whatever recent and perhaps farming can be used for the set of order block for React retest after the expansion at we don't have a 30 new today, but we can apply this model because it did rate so we can blend between this model, blend two models, this model or this model? Okay, I see. Yes, yes, yes. So we can add right here. Yeah, so between these two models, beautiful. So let's make sure it did rate. Today it did rate go down and rate the liquidity from the prior day, which is the PM section right there, right? Yes, it's rate. That's the PM section exactly. Okay. Then we can add a little bit note right here. Another scenario is that in this case is the auto block photograph. Do we have auto block photograph? Oh, 09, 9:30 euro swing can be used to fill the gap and sell side liquidity, or fill the gap and rate sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity of the previous day PM. Yeah, section right there. Right, either for this euro swing can be used. Oh, I think what is a little small, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so the other day is euro swing used for the setup, but in this case the euro swing used to fill the gap and rate, as I say, in the PM. Around 10. So do that around 10, half a minute. Then look for a reversal at 1 PM right there. Man, we have so much thing right there, beautiful right there. Right, yeah, let's move it a little bit up here, so make things look more readable. So we add another condition in here, or another scenario, or another scenario or derivative right here. So if you look for a euro swing, you can up. So for today we can apply this model, the model 1, or we can apply model 2.2 right there. Either way, we have to have a little bit nuance right there. So add a little bit differentiation right there, because this is not it not like exactly happen, right? It have to be a little bit discretionary right here. So we are do discretionary trading. It's not exactly mechanic trading, and it has to subject to discretionary right there. Yeah, so you can apply that. I mean, today, perfect. It opened right between yesterday PM range right there. See that? So it opened right at the range of yesterday, at the lower range, and then it boom, it go up right there. So right here we got go back here. So it feel right there at 10 o'clock. It do two things. It fill the gap and then it rate the sell side. So we can see the pattern, right? By 10 is do two things. It fill the gap and then it rate the sell side liquidity in this case. And then you see right after that is it reverse, but it do a little bit retracement before it reverse. So your expansion, you have reached a little bit retracement right here. And right here we don't see any pattern to go along right here. So we're kind of reluctant to go along, even though in the real time we saw a huge pushback. Right, you see that there? And boom, it pushed back like a 10 point from 36 all the way back to 48 right there. So it's more than 12 point right there. It's crazy, but it's not in our setup, so we don't take the trade. That's the beauty of that. But we do see this this level 50.48. That's the key level, and it did have pretest from below, so it's a good support level right there. And also pay attention, the open for today is around there. The open for today right here, Thursday open, which is 50.47. So it's around 47 open, yeah, above the key level 48 right there. Yesterday it hit 48, well, no, 9 point right there. So we watch us in the real time right there, and yes, that's where we see that rejection. We thinking about go long because we see the huge rejection at this support level. But you know what, we try to hold ourselves back. We say to ourselves, okay, we don't see any setup we like, because we want to see what we want to see this break, and then we want to see retest at that level. But so far we haven't seen any retest after this break. So that's our idea right there. That's one of the reason we reluctant to go long, and we wait. Okay, we wait, and here's we're gonna take our first trade. Here's our idea. So basically we see a break and reverse back away right away. So that make a thinking that maybe a real breakout, because that's the pattern for a real breakout. You break, let's say in this level, the open, then you should break back right away, and we want to retest above that, and boom, it's gonna break it down. Right, we want to retest. No, yes, that's what we thought. Okay, you're gonna retest at the 57 right there. We want the candle, just above there, then we can go short, because it's gonna be a real breakout. But in this case, it acts differently. It reversed back, right? It closed below this level. If it open above, then we have the reason to short them, because it's going to be a real breakout. But in this case, it closed all the way down, and also it rate what? It rate the sell side here. So we kind of confused because we haven't seen this scenario before, but now we seen it, we understand. Next time we're going to go long. because as soon as this candle not close above level, that means we cannot short them, then we have a reason to go long. That's the idea right there. And then we say, wow, we want to look for if it break this level and test below. Basically, we're very cautious. But if we look back, we should not caution, because this level, you see that it already tests below. So, and then when it breaks up level, it have a gap. So I just fill that gap, and then from there, it become a very solid, support level right there. So we can go long without wait for another confirmation, which is the test below. It never happened because it already happened. So we kind of chicken right there, for lack of a better word. See that? You see the heel Russian right here. It broke it back, right, and then it broke it back right away. Wow, very strong. So we'll go back to the swell one right there. And right here, we have a reason to go long at the 56 right there, right? So you have break it out, you have retest one, retest two, retest twice, and that's where we go long on our trade right here. Yes, we go long. Yes, we did go long at, let's see the screenshot we have. So, okay, here's our trade. Right, we use Ninja Trader to execute our trade right here. So I will go along at 65 right there. 65. Where's our charge? So we go along right here, 65. Yeah, around here. We go in right here, just below, above this this breakout level, 56 right there. I think we where's our trade? Go long, and the time we go long is what time? By the way, we go long at what a time frame? We need to have a time frame so we can track it down. Okay, 11. So where is our 11? Okay, our 11. Okay, so basically we go long right there at that 11, and we take profit when it reach 5 point right away, because you know why? Because we look up here, we see, wow, it's the bullish breaker, a bearish breaker, huge failure gap. So this is gonna retest, it's gonna fail. The first time it hit, the first retest, it always fail. So as soon as it hit 1 hour 5 point, we get out. We get out. So I think we get out, and it worked in our it worked in our favor. You see that as soon as this guy closed, it reversed right away. So we will be take a loss right there. So we're so happy. It's just a small win, but it's really help her to see the price action better. Yeah, but right here, and we wait. We take a break, and then wait. When we come back, we know that we're gonna come back around 1:30, 1 p.m. and exactly 1:30, and we have a huge, beautiful setup right here. And here's we failed to take that trade. So okay. And the beautiful setup, we don't see that setup before. I mean, similar, but the reason why right here, we take a screenshot right here. I think we have to close right here, but the idea that, right here, there are two levels in here, the 5064, the 5062. If we look at the 5062, we have a short setup. Why? Because break and then it reverse back right away and then it retests twice. So basically you want to short them. Put a sell stop right here. That the short setup. However, if we look at the level 5064, it's a long setup because it's break and then what happened? It retests 1, 2, 3 times. So it's 3 times right there. So that's the reason why we name this setup. It's like a double break, triple retest right there, 3 times. Double break right here. So now we know that how to play the setup. We now know that not only one break but 2 break is much better. It gives a lot of momentum to break around this area, and it worked out beautiful thing right there. The reason why we didn't take this trade because when we look on a 1 hour time frame we confuse, especially the candle at 11 right here we confuse. It gives us not 11 but candle at 12 we confuse. That's which one we failed to take the trade. The reason why we confuse at that moment, but now we understand, right? Before we confuse. So here's the logic, right? We have breakdown at the level 5066, then we have a retest from below, then sure it's gonna break this level, it's gonna reverse. It did. However, it did one more thing that is not in our our database or our setup. We haven't seen this phenomenon before, but now we have to see it have another it reversed back right away. Basically it's just another retest, and at that moment we don't understand, but now we understand. Especially look at this candle, it's close open above and close below the level 56 right away. That is a bullish signal. It will be very risky if this close above the level. That means it's hanging right there. Then we have reason to short them or not take a long trade in this case. However, it's close below that. It gives us the reason. It manifests on here. You see that? On here. On the on 15 minutes. It manifests this pattern into a double retest right there. You see that? That is the candle at 12 and it closed right there. It closed right there. And that's where we need to go long. At that moment we don't understand. That's the reason why we stay in the sidelines. And we're so glad that we did that, because when we don't understand, then just sit on our hand. Make sure we understand. Otherwise, we break our rule, and we don't want to do that. We want to be disciplined. We want to be consistent. All right. So next time, we know what to do when we see this scenario right there. Okay, that's the only trade we take. That's the trade we mix. But it's a huge trade. We little bit chicken, even though we don't know what understand, but we can reach right here. Look, we only reach what? We put a buy stop right here. Nothing hurt. If we go down here, only 2 points. We only give back half an hour. We only win 1 hour, right? But for some reason, we're very chicken today, so it's okay. Normally we're very aggressive, but I don't know, for some reason today we're very conservative. So we don't know. Could be a good thing or could be not so good because we missed a huge trade. We should pass the challenge today because we only need one trade to pass the challenge. Right? We only need one trade because the target is 3,000. Right? Right now we only 1,700. 700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. So we only need one trade to pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. So 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. So 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass the challenge. 1,700. We only need one good trade, we pass with that trade we can buy the challenge. Look at this. So if we go in right here and we take the trade right here, and then conservatively we just aim at that target at 40 50 88 right there, which is the Q4. Is that right? Is that the Q4? Yeah, no, Q4, Q3 buy sell liquidity. We got it. We got 20 20 point, more than 20 point, which is $1,000 right there. We part the trade. Wow, that's amazing. All right, so that's the trade we missed. All right, before we wrap up, we want to analyze why we missed the trade right here. It's very hard to see. Let's go back to see the trade that the Judah swing at 9:30. It's very tricky. Right here, you don't see any so-called fall breakout that you can see. But now looking back, we did see that. Let's look. By the way, the trade that right here, what the trade? Okay, this trade is beautifully. One note we need to put in here is that it have a smart money diversion happen at 12:45 right here. So we have a lot of confluence. No, not this one. Where's smart money diversion? At 12:30. So at 12:30 we have smart money diversion right there. You see that? The NQ make a low, but is that 12:30? Yeah, 12:30. Yeah, right here. You see that? I think we do wrong. Is that? Okay, let redo the screenshot then. So hold on, let's redo the screenshots real quick. Do we have a smart money diversion at 12:30? I think we messed up our screenshot. Let's compare, double check now. So yeah, we did. Okay, so where is our 12:30? Right here. Is that right? And right here we have a 12:30. Okay, we see that. That's right. Okay, 12:30. So right here we did. We see that. So there you go. You have very high quality setup. So we do have a smart money diversion. We just checked the wrong one. We multitask, that's where we mess up that screenshot right there. Where our smart money diversion? Smart money diversion at 12:30 right here. So smart money diversion right here. All right, now let me pull over so we make sure we're on the same page. So we see that the timestamp is 9:30, and we have an NQ right there and the ES right here. So basically right here we have the NQ make a higher low, but it's very subtle right there, but it can give you a signal. That's the reason why we need to go along right here. You see that? Go along right here because the diversion happened right there at the key moment. Yep, you see that? So smart money diversion right there. Yeah, so that means we go back to our beautiful sub right here. It can tell us that right here we have one more. You see this setup right here? We have to put a little bit of note right there. Yep. Yeah, so we just put the note right here that smart money did happen around 12:30. and that gives us another reason to go long. Right? We didn't understand, but now we understand, and we have a lot of confidence right here. So, what a very beautiful setup, and we can get 24 points right there. And we didn't take that, so it's okay. Next time we see that, we'll pull the trigger. No idea right there. All right, and what else? What else? Yeah, we check midway trade, and one more trade right here. It's a small trade right here, but it fit the setup. You see right here, right? It break, and then it's retest one. It has twice above, and that's where we put the buy sell stop right here. We can take a quick profit right here. So from there to there, we do have yeah, but you have to get out fast for this trade because the momentum is just a retracement. It's not going to be a reversal. So we have 10.2 hour right there, and we do have a yeah, because we anticipate we want to trade the last hour like yesterday, but it did not happen, so we kind of reluctant, but it happened at 15:30, which is the last 30 minutes. And you see right there, you have a pattern, right? It break, it retests at where it reversed, but we have to aim at the target right here, 7 at 2 hour. That's another great trade that we could take. All right, anyway, before wrap up, let's view the daily time frame again. So what we gonna expect for tomorrow. So look, we have break, retest, and then reverse. So this is very good level right there, and it close excuse at this level and this level right there. Both this level is very huge swap right there, and it close above level, so it tells us that this level very good. So tomorrow it may make a range around here. Between Friday, it can open around here and then go here and retest, because it already retest. It's already retest. So yeah, if we can catch this move, we can pass the challenge right there, more than 20 point right there. So let's see how tomorrow is gonna play. After two big move, right? Move on Tuesday, Wednesday, and then reversal on Thursday. Maybe Friday is a range day, maybe, or it's gonna be carry a bit momentum. It haven't reached this 20-day moving average also. But anyway, we are out. Thank you for your time and interest. We always appreciate this opportunity. We doing what we love, then success coming to our way, no doubt about it. Have a great evening, and bye for now.